Kia ora, my name is Lennox Jones and I recently graduated at the University of Auckland studying a property and commerce conjoint degree majoring in economics and entrepreneurship innovation. I'm over here in Bangkok at the moment and I'm studying at a law firm called Anglo-Thai Legal and I'll be here for 6 weeks on a scholarship with the Intern program. So during my time at Anglo-Thai Legal, I've helped out with a number of things, including listing some properties for clients, helping communicate between our clients and our lawyers, doing some financial work for my business background, as well as some day-to-day tasks for the law firm. So the reason I chose Bangkok was for the cultural shock aspect. Coming from a country of only 6 million people in New Zealand to a city that has 12 million people is quite the shock, and for me it was something I was really keen to get into. And the other part of that was also the culture. Thai culture, from what I've heard and seen in New Zealand from the Thai people there, is amazing, lovely, and coming here now I can say that it's definitely a different impact. My favourite memories while I've been over here has been with the other interns. We've done a number of trips across to Pattaya, Koh Samet, and then adventures all through Bangkok. And those are probably the best times I've had while I've been here. So my favourite part of our internship has been both the flexibility and also the culture within the team. For me, coming across to Bangkok, I'm one of the only interns that is in a full Thai local environment. Most of the other interns are in a foreigner company, so for me I got to learn a lot of the Thai words from my colleagues during the lunchtime breaks and hang out with them and introduce a bit of New Zealand to them in the English language. So that for me was actually a great experience. And also, like I said, the flexibility, not the case for everybody, but for me, and then I could work from home and go to the office when and if I chose to, and based on the hours that I wanted to work. My advice to people who are considering applying is to, one, come in with an open mindset. Coming across here, I didn't expect to go into a law firm having studied property and commerce, so I definitely recommend coming with an open mindset for both the work as well as the culture, because there's quite a cultural shock once you get here. Being of Samoan descent, I would recommend that anyone who's Pacific Islander or Māori to definitely jump on the opportunities available to you to do an internship program similar to this one. There's a number of grants out there which you can take advantage of, including the one from the Intern Group. If you're keen on getting some experience in another country, I definitely recommend coming to the Intern Group. They've got a number of different places you can go to, and Bangkok being one of the best ones you can. I have had a great experience with a scholarship over here, so if you can get a scholarship, definitely do it.